Unfortunately, as these storms that we experience get larger and more intense, the systems that were built maybe decades ago aren't necessarily large enough to handle that amount of water, and they can become overwhelmed.
You could tell if you have a stormwater problem, if you have too many nutrients in your bay, which is causing oxygen problems, or if you're getting hot water coming in or algae blooms, those types of things. So they can indicate poor stormwater runoff, and that's how it's manifesting itself out in the water.